Morning, guys.
Coffee and a donut.
Let's drive through them, come out this way.
No, we'll be good right here, I think.
26 degrees.
Yeah,
We're headed to SQUAW Creek. Cold morning. Actually going to go to a power plant lake this morning. Hopefully we can get on. Trying to get John Howard, a subscriber we're taking out this morning.
We got a subscriber coming out with us.
He's going to meet us on location. He's trying to get everything arranged at SQUAW Creek, make sure we can get in the boat ramp. That's where we're headed, guys. That's where we're headed.
It says we're 58 minutes away.
But we're hungry. We're going to grab some donuts, and I need to get some gas. So, cold morning, guys. Cold morning.
Once that sun peaks out, we'll be fine, bro. We'll be fine.
Let me call up there real quick and ask them if I have to.
Yeah, we're gonna grab us something to eat, guys.
All right, guys.
Got our coffee and donuts over here. Get at the SQUAW Creek. Check this little croissant looking thing out.
Is that what you got?
I don't know. It's
No,
got bacon, a bacon wrap. Check that out, man.
I got this thing. This thing. That looks good.
Oh my God, that's good.
Putting twisty donuts on the ground. Itasca, Texas.
Itasca, Texas. Okay. Well, I'm gonna eat and drive. So we're almost here. Glenrose, Texas, home of the what do they got over here in Glenrose? Fossils, fossil rim, and other dinosaur things or whatever. I don't know. Dinosaur Valley. Yep, we're almost there. About 5 minutes away. Ricky's already trying to get his boat in, and John Howard, the subscriber, is going to meet us out there. It's pretty out here, guys. So we're going to be fishing SQUAW Creek, which is a power plant lake today. So hopefully we can get on a good bite. First time we're out. This is the first time we're fishing it. So hopefully it's similar to other power plant lakes that we fished before. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes, and hopefully we catch some. All right, guys, here we are on the water. Got John Howard in the boat, my bro, and Ricky on the other one. We're graphing, guys. We're graphing this point out here. 7-8 foot of water. A lot of activity I'm seeing on the graph. Scanning. Got my setup perfect like I want it. Man, that's what I was gonna fish, but it's okay. Go ahead and throw it. I was gonna let you fish that one. Looking at some craters and boulders here. I think it looked better right there. What do you think? Hey, that drop off is to the left right over here.
Nico,
that drop
off's like right here.
To the left. All right, guys, I want to share this with y'all real quick. Check it out. I did that modification on that trolling motor, and that clutter has gone down.
The underspin.
So I don't have it on full blast or anything. It's on 3. I can't push the button. That's 4, and usually there's clutter all in my screen. Look at that. It's really knocked it down. So guys, that technique works. Or that tip or whatever, put it on your boat, you know, your transducer, and cut down on your clutter. Look at that. I mean, it's knocked it down big time. I mean, there's still a little bit. You can still see a little bit. But man, the first day I took it out, man, that clutter was just all over the screen. Couldn't even see my 2D sonar at all. Alright guys, I want to show y'all something on the screen here real quick. I don't know if you can see. Look, in the black, bait fish. We're coming out of it right now. Yeah, you'll probably be seeing it back there behind you, John. Awesome. Throwing a red rattle trap right now. Put that swim bait down
Well,
for a little bit. We hadn't caught anything yet. We worked this little bank right here behind us. We're gonna go graphing now, see if we can come across something. God's loving the steering wheel. Look, turn it with my finger. So pumped up about that. Man, feels like a new boat. And we're gonna go over here and try to look for some contours, see if we can find some drop-offs, deep water, close to shallow water. See if we can find some fish. Loving the new setup I got up here too, guys. I'm running my Humminbird with a Lake Master chip in it. So I'm probably going to keep this as strictly for maps and contours. And I'll use the side view, traditional, and down view on my Garmin unit. Flipping around.
Yep.
Man, it's,
Sorry, Andrew, but I don't
man, we should have been filming this whole
It ain't going
whole
nowhere 'cause
time.
It's gonna stay in my hand.
I don't know if I'll pull you out, John.
Guys, we just fished that pole out of the water.
This one right
We
here.
found it with the side imaging. Ricky had fell in the water but dropped the pole.
This one right here.
$200 plus setup.
Yeah.
A Revo what? Revo X and a...
That's the new Revo that you bought?
Yes. Oh, I think we all deserve a cigarette there.
Yeah.
No, I think we all deserve a drink.
Drink if we have. Hey, that was fun though, man. I mean, it was a challenge.
Yeah, but
I know, but
this helped. How many times did we go over it right here? I said, there it is, there it is.
It was distinct on that graph, bro.
Don't drop it, Ricky.
Oh, I ain't gonna graph it this time. Oh, I'm coming over there. Coming over there. Watch the rod, watch the rod.
Oh, shit.
I don't want to fall on that. Not too bad.
We pinged it like 4 or 5 times.
That was it. It was distinct, man.
Yeah, the first time I pinged it, I could see the reel on it.
You recording?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the thing is, what helped?
Huh?
That's what helped.
Oh, you saw it on here too?
Yeah, I saw it up in the front too.
Well, try to make the best of it, Rick.
That's right.
I didn't have no help with all.
Never deployed because I didn't let it get wet.
No.
Because when I went
Nico grabbed you fast, dude.
I seen it. I heard a
I said,
I heard a big old splash. I thought he was a big old fish. I turned around, Ricky's in the water.
head first.
oh, that's a big fish on.
I just reached my arm like this, and Ricky just grabbed my arm perfect, dude.
It was one momentum.
Yeah, that
I saw the whole thing, dude.
felt like I was Superman. Shit.
It's adrenaline, man. That's all it was.
And then I got up on the boat. I seen the top of that rod up there like that. And I was like, oh, fuck. Well, Nico's had all of the stuff out so far. It's too late by then.
Yeah.
And then that's when I went over there and hit the spot lock. I said, fuck, I got to stay right here in this one spot because I know the
It's
general
gonna-
area where it was at.
Yeah. Man. That's crazy.
There's drinks down there in the cooler. Make those the music things. Dr. Pepper, water.
And none of these boats came over here to see if we were okay.
Nope.
Just think if you were by yourself.
Oh, I know.
I bet it was hard to get up on that boat. It would have been hard to get back.
Yeah, you would have had to swim to the back.
Yeah, I'd had to go into the back probably to do it. But I can't believe, I'm only wet from right here.
That's how fast you went in the water and got out.
None of this up here is wet. From my knees up,
Yeah.
it's not wet. My phone was in my pocket of my sweatshirt. Well, I guess this arm here was
It
wet.
didn't ruin
I
your
went
phone?
That away.
It didn't ruin your phone.
Your head stayed above water too, didn't it? It's just a splash.
Yeah, because as soon as you went in, you turned around and you grabbed.
Yeah, right the hole to that, and then that's when Nico come up and I
And
just
scooped
locked
you.
arms with him.
Damn. That was fast, dude. I was already dropping my shit and running to him.
That's it.
So I was like, dude, he ain't gonna make that one. I was way back here, dude.
Yeah.
I just went, dude. It just went.
You're lucky you didn't trip in the water
Yeah.
too. Alright guys, so just came over here to the dam. Well, the dam's actually on the other side. And I did a pass through over here and we scanned and we seen a bunch of boulders and we actually saw some fish that we grabbed. So we're gonna make a pass through here, see if we can catch anything. It's been a rough start this morning. Ricky fell in the water. He's going back to the truck now to see if he's got some dry clothes. Yeah, it's a mess. But we're gonna try to make the best of it. So hopefully we don't go bust on this trip. Look at all those, I don't know if you can see, but look at all those beds. Dude, they're everywhere over here. I'm in 10 foot of water right now. Got bait fish everywhere. But I made a pass through a while ago. See some of those fish right there next to the bait fish? That's what I was targeting. That's what I scanned on the pass through. So look at all those beds, guys. It's crazy. Water is actually warmer on this side, John.
65 point,
Is that what yours says?
65.45.
I got 64.74, but probably just a little difference on the water column. I think the trolling motor goes a little bit deeper than the back transducer. Let me see. Yeah, that looks good, dude. Run that jerk bait. They're suspended over here. You're gonna hook up on there. Those are the fish I'm talking about. Slow it down a little bit. Alright guys, we got the first one in the boat. They're feeding up. They're feeding up on them. Yeah. There's small minnows in the bank like that big. And then I'm graphing more bigger ones here. Checking to see if he's legal lean.
What's the length on?
14, isn't it?
Hmm?
Just put him in the live well. He's 14. Does he look 14?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah. And I say, man, you got one?
Hey, you got you got your first bass of 2019.
Oh yeah, yeah. Props to that, man. Look at the lines
Oh yeah, you're right here too.
here, dude.
Just gotta get
Yeah.
to the bottom.
Yeah, right on the bottom, man. I'm gonna send you a picture of what it looks like.
Look, Chris.
Told you, I'm not lying when they're here, dude.
That was a big motherfucker too.
It
At
was huge.
least a 6.
Nose in over here with me.
Coming
We'll
that
make the
way.
same cast over. So guys, we only got like 2 hours left to fish. What time is it? We got to be off this power plant lake by 4 o'clock. They
It is
shut it
2:20,
down. All the boats have to
2:20.
be up on. I got one. Oh man, sorry. I think I had one. I might have went over a rock or something. Anyways, guys, it's been kind of tough. I mean, we're actually finding the fish. We're graphing them. I mean, but we cannot get them to bite for some reason. We're throwing subtle presentations, light tackle, but my brother just missed one. I just saw him miss one. Actually, I saw him miss 2 a while ago. He's out there with Ricky on Ricky's boat. We're trying. We're trying to get these catches for y'all on film, but it's tough, even on a power plant lake. They're deep. We're catching them in about 30 foot of water. So we're going to fish for another hour, and then we're going to start heading back to the boat ramps. And I think they have, what, like 5 or 6 lanes, right? 4 lanes. So we got to, I like to get there before all the other ones get there, you know. But stay with us, see if we can get another one in the boat. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and call this video. We're going to go ahead and go in. We're supposed to look at all those fish and look at the shadows that they're casting. Anyways, we got to go. It's already 3:11, so we got to be off the water at 4 at this power plant lake. I caught 1, missed 2. Ricky actually landed a 5-pounder. Wish I would have had that recorded. And my brother, he missed, what, like 3?
Yeah.
So it was so-so. I mean, new lake. We don't know it very well. We spent most of the time on this point right here behind us. But I'm going to go ahead and release this fish. Get my drink here. And hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, catch y'all in the water, or on the water.